loaded up with our fuel bladders. What a bit of a mission now. Shit's getting real. That's pretty cool, eh? I've no idea. He's got boots. He's some kind of contraption. Yeah. Little legend. Well, folks, I never thought I'd see this in Australia, but looks like they found some oil. Well, that's a first for me.
It's working too.
Yeah. There you have it. Quit your gas bagging. Off you go. Thanks, girls. Right, which way are we going here? Fucking straight ahead, I gather. Okay. Someone must have had a bit of spare blue paint to throw around. As you do. Getting late today. We're going to find a patch of trees somewhere we can set up camp for the night. Finding a spot up in here somewhere and set up camp. Tell you what, tuck in here. Where's that? Yeah. Now, as long as we remember our road back out. Yeah. Wow. This will do us. Woo. We are middle of nowhere. Morning. We are at a little camp last night. In the desert. Just pulled off the road and found ourselves a beautiful spot. Sun's coming up. Coffee's on. I had a decent breakfast this morning. What will today bring?
Nothing but adventure.
Nothing but adventure. Phew. Woo! Oh, some adventure riders up here too. Yeah, heaps of them. Bit of a excitement trip happening here. We've loaded up with all the extra fuel. Chris is all loaded up too. We're going to try and get to Birdsville. It's 520 kilometres away, and our tanks only have a range of 300k, so hopefully we won't die again. Let's do it. Woof, off to Birdsville. Woo! I've said it before, I'll say it again. Wow. Wow. No crocs. Yeah, that'll leave a bruise. Oh, she'll buff out. This place is pretty special, bit of Aussie history. Let's have a look over here. Dig tree. The real dig tree. The old Burke and Wills expeditions. And here we have the face tree, a tribute to Burke.
Looks like Cam.
It does, it's got a big nose. Awesome. Wow, that's just beautiful. And rocky. Woo. Yeah. I just pulled up off the road again. Once again, we're in the middle of the desert. This is camp number 6. And you smell that? That's 6 days without a shower. Looking forward to having one. Fellas! Yep. So we're still on our way to Birdsville. Yeah, old selfie king over here. We're getting there.
Getting there.
Slowly but surely, we're getting there. Well, looks like the well is dry. She's well dry.
Well, well, well.
Well, well, well.
3 holes in the ground.
Crossed her up, bro. Going to morning 390. Yeah, baby. Woo! fuck up with our maps and we won't make it to Birdsville, but luckily we met this lovely couple and they're giving us a splash of fuel. Thank Christ. Well, thanks to those legends back there, they've given us a few litres. Bit of luck, we'll make it to Birdsville. See what happens, it's part of the adventure. Everyone's got to look after everyone out here. Life would be pretty hard otherwise. Bloody hell, eh? Awesome. Just coming across this serpent. I'm just going to call it Serpent Hill. Pretty cool. One of those random things you see in the outback. Wow. Welcome to Birdsville. 4 kilometres and I'm on 0 kilometres fuel range. Let's see what happens. Let's go before I run out of fuel. We are in Birdsville. We've got 0 fuel left in the tank. Let's find the Birdsville pub, have a beer, figure out accommodation. Bloody ripper. There's the Birdsville pub. Yep. Woo! We did it! Well done. We made it, Birdsville. I think it's time for a beer. You. Can't believe we made it here. That was a long, long day of dirt. Bloody long day. We did it. Big bucket list this one, guys. Big bucket list. What a shot, eh? What a shot. I guess it's Big Red tomorrow. Oh. Shall we go up Little Red quickly? Yeah. Whoa! Hey Sam! Drop that! First drop of the trip. Front wheel. Give her the berries. Smash it out of the park. Oh man, we did it!